This is the XCool Power Precision Screwdriver set. It has 48 different bits, including 9 drill bits. This is a compact power screwdriver, which means you press the button and it unscrews or drills for you. It is a compact size, measuring a ½ inch in diameter and 5 inches long. It comes with a case that also charges the screwdriver when stored, making it very convenient to take with you. It currently retails on Amazon for $60. Before we get into the full review, I have to disclose that this was sent to me for purpose for review from XCool. If you buy it through any of the links in the description, I get a small commission. The company did not get any say in the video and did not review it before publishing. The XCool screwdriver has 5 torque settings and can reach up to 400 RPMs. It's not the fastest or that high of torque, but for crafts and electronics it's perfect because too much torque can strip screws out of the plastic and ruin your project. It's powered via a rechargeable battery, which the site says can drive over 500 screws and drill 40 holes before it runs out. The case is USB-C, which means no proprietary adapters. Just plug it in and you're good to go. It has a flashlight at the tip, which makes it great for putting it into tight spaces where light is at a premium. Included with the XCool screwdriver is the screwdriver, of course, USB-C cable, metal pry tool, tweezers, and the case with 39 screw bits in different styles like the standard Phillips, and also unique heads like Torx, Hex, and Tri-Wing, along with some longer bits for screws that are set deeper than standard bits. You also have 9 drill bits, which range from 1.2 millimeters to 3 millimeters, and this is great for crafting if you need to drill into balsa wood or plastic where a normal drill might deliver too much torque and be pretty bulky. And everything comes in this stylish metal case that's magnetic and holds all of the bits in place, so if you happen to accidentally open it up vertically, all the bits stay secure. As someone who likes to tinker, this is a nice tool to have in your arsenal. While I have a big boy drill, it is nice to have a power tool that acts like a pen to use on small electronics like my keyboard numpad that just so happened to crap out on me, or my Logitech mouse where I had to reinstall some switches. I use the pry tool to get underneath the rubber feet and access the screws and press the button closest to me to extract the screw. Once the screw comes out, it's magnetized to the bit, which is nice as these little screws just love to run away from me and get lost in the carpet. It has different torque modes which you can adjust depending on your preference. To do that, you simply press and hold down the little button at the bottom of the screwdriver until the option comes up, and then you can select based on if you're drilling or screwing, and if you select the drilling mode, you can triple press to enable a continuous mode, which is nice if you're drilling to something and you don't want a hand cramp from holding down the button. Otherwise, it's pretty simple. Just press down to screw in, press up to screw out. And if you want to use it manually, you can. Just twist it like you would a non-powered screwdriver. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. The drill bits are a nice touch. If you need to drill some holes in a picture frame to mount hooks into or drywall, it'll work, but it is a crafting drill. It doesn't have the torque to drill into anything harder. You can see I tried to drill some holes in my desk to mount a foot hammock and the drill stopped just a little in, but for arts and crafts, it'll do the trick. Things I like about this screwdriver is that it's compact and powerful while looking and feeling premium. I have been interested in a power screwdriver like this for a while, which is why I took XCool up on their offer to review it. The bits are also solid, and also the drill bits are sharp, and they look like they would stand up to typical crafting use. The things that I don't like is that you have to screw down a piece to secure the bit. And these are small pieces, and if they get lost, especially the 2 brass grommets which are necessary for the drill bits, the screwdriver loses a lot of its features. Good thing that they fit conveniently in the case, and it's just not a deal breaker, just something to consider if you have a habit of not putting things away after you're done with them. I also wish that there were a couple of socket attachments to use on security screws that exist on the back of NES cartridges or the Super Nintendo shell. That would make it super awesome, and that would cover everything that I do in day-to-day repairs, but I still have those manual bits and I don't work with those screws very often, so again, not really a deal breaker, but something you should be aware of. That being said, the precision power screwdriver is worth the money, and if you're looking for something to have around the house or for projects that require smaller bits, this is a great option. If you are interested in the screwdriver, please use my links in the description as it helps the channel out. And if you like these types of videos, I have more on the way, just random products that I buy or get for purposes of review, and I review them in a casual short form way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.